everyone, this is Dr. Shweta and taking our last video forward where we were talking about 8 startups with aggressive patent strategy. We will be taking this forward and talking about rest 4. So the 5th startup is TEGO. TEGO is a premium app and security device that you can use for location tracking of your loved ones. The app will send the location of the people to 11 of their loved one through an app or desktop interface in a real time. In case of any emergency, a user can alert his friends with the click of a button. TEGO thought that with the increasing impact of globalization, business interests throughout the world is continuously seeking new ways and structure for creating and maintaining competitive advantage. One of the key tools for strengthening and sustaining that advantage is an innovative and precise intellectual property right strategy that aims at protecting companies' right and extending their IP assets like trademark, patents, design, copyright through continuous development and long-term commitment. It does not matter whether you are an operator working globally or an individual startup or entrepreneur acting locally here in India or anywhere else. Managing and protecting your intellectual property is essential in ensuring your company's long-term success. The 6th startup is Ather. ये एक Bangalore-based ई-बाइक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्टार्टअप है जिसको बैक किया हीरो ने, हीरो मोटरकॉप, फ्लिपकार्ट फाउंडर सचिन बंसल एंड मिनी बंसल एंड टाइगर ग्लोबल. दैट मीन्स फंड किया इन लोगों ने इसको. द कंपनी वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग एन IP स्ट्रेटजी फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बाय कोलैबोरेटिंग विद द कंपनीज लीडरशिप on the business objectives, directing the company's technology, focusing on IP intelligence, competitive studies, and technology landscape in accordance with the market research have led them to achieve success. Currently, the company is working on strategizing the following. First, intellectual property portfolio. Second, integrating the IP process in the product development process, setting up an IP roadmap in the concordance with the technology, product, and business roadmap. Then next, setting up dynamic IP strategy that read on the corporate strategy. The 7th startup name is Excision. It's a science-based company developed vaccine for Zika virus and Zika virus का cousin है डेंगू. इसके लिए भी इन्होंने वैक्सीन निकाली. पीटर लियांग, the CEO of the startup, अपने ही एक इंटरव्यू में बताया कि कैसे बड़ी एंड वेल एस्टेब्लिश फार्मास्यूटिकल फर्म के रहते हुए एक्सेशन ने मार्केट में अपना प्लेस बनाया जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर स्ट्रॉन्ग IP स्ट्रेटजी एंड हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट पेटेंट प्लेड द रोल इन competing with other huge giant pharmaceutical industry. The final and the 8th startup is PartnerVine, which is a common portal for law firms and legal service providers to sell their legal products. As a software developers, one concern of PartnerVine was to protect their intellectual property, which gives them some comfort that other companies will not copy their invention. Patent authorities generally favor patent for hardware and restrict patent for software that is deemed abstract or not sufficiently tied to a machine, particularly in the US where most software have been awarded. The US Patent and Trademark Office has been increasingly likely to invalidate software patents. So this was all about aggressive strategy of patent which was followed by 8 good startups. Now, this shows that if you have a product or a process which is innovative, which is novel, is fulfilling the criteria of patent, you should always go back and first design your patent strategy to fight the competition in the market, to stay ahead, to move with the success, I should say. So this was all from my side with the startups and their IP strategies and few of the example which we have taken in these last 2 videos. If you want me to cover some specific topic, please do comment in the comment section and do not forget to press the bell icon And those who have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching IP Jagruti.